Hello everyone, Funster Toys here. Who wants to play today? Do you want to play today? Me too. Let's go. Today we're going to play with our kinetic sand. I have an idea. If you saw our Little People kit with Ariel and Prince Eric, I just took the packaging out and I thought I'd see about making an Ariel out of kinetic sand just from the packaging. This should be fun. It's in keeping. It keeps up with our whole idea of pirates and ships, and there's Ariel. Little Mermaid. In kinetic sand. Now let's make Eric. There he comes. Oh, I think I lost part of his feet. I lost Eric's feet. I needed to pack him a little better. Let's try it one more time. That's the nice thing about kinetic sand is you can just keep experimenting and having more fun. I'll try that again. I've got a dent in the front of Eric, so maybe that's part of the problem. Maybe gripping him the wrong way. The form is not made for this. Well, there we have part of it. You can shape it a little bit more. Maybe create a mermaid tail for Eric. You could do that too. Endless possibilities when you put your mind to it and be creative. So there's our kinetic sand with our pirate escape. And we have Ariel and Eric. Thank you for coming today to see Funster Toys, and we'll look forward to seeing you again next time. Remember and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus as well. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.